How to make $300 a day using Shiba Swap doing nothing. Shiba Inu coin holders, watch. Today, I will be showing you how to make $300 a day using Shiba Swap without doing any work. To be eligible, all you need to do is become a Shiba Inu coin holder, and that's it. Ever since Shiba Swap was released earlier this month, people have been making profits off of it and getting rewards for staking their coins or providing liquidity. Now, this is something that you need to watch if you are currently a Shiba Inu coin holder. Can you really use Shiba Swap to make a passive income? What are the rewards you can get by going to Shiba Swap? That's exactly what we will be answering at the end of this video. So make sure to stick around because, trust me, you wouldn't want to miss this. Okay guys, now at first we will talk about Shiba Swap and its release. Then we will focus on a tutorial explaining to you what the functions in the Shiba Swap mean and how you can use them. Ultimately, we will show you how to make $300 a day using Shiba Swap just by holding Shiba Inu coins and nothing else. Shiba Swap was finally launched on July 6, 2021. Shiba Swap is Shiba Inu's decentralized exchange, which allows users to trade among Shiba Inu and other cryptocurrency tokens. Now, the Shiba Swap launch is making trading through Shiba Inu easy for investors, as it's a dedicated platform developer to facilitate Shiba Inu transactions. The official website of Shiba Token says that between its international recognition and its legitimate utility, SHIB is up thousands of times and is constantly expanding its reach. SHIB is the first to be listed and incentivized on Shiba Swap. Shiba Inu currently has a market cap of about $3.5 billion and is marketing itself as a Dogecoin killer. Both the cryptocurrencies were started as a joke by their developers and now hold a significant market cap in the crypto industry. However, Shiba Inu has declined a long graph in order to come close to Dogecoin, which has a massive market cap of $30.6 billion. Both the cryptocurrency were at their peak in the first 2 weeks of May 2021. Interestingly, Shiba Swap plays around with the terminology used on the portal as actions such as staking tokens, which are termed as bury. Leveraging the meme coin image that Shiba Inu has, the portal has been kept very simple and rather humorous. Other actions related to the Shiba Inu coin are named in terminology that resembles dogs in their tantrums. On its website, Shiba Inu said that its platform gives users the ability to dig or provide liquidity, bury or stake, and swap tokens to gain WOOF returns through its sophisticated and innovative passive income reward system. The platform gives SHIB Army access to the upcoming NFTs. Among other additional tools, the Shiba Swap offers portfolio trackers, making navigation through the crypto world simple and intuitive. This comes at a time when the cryptocurrency market has generally slowed. Soon after the creators of the currency announced the launch of their own crypto platform, people on Twitter showed excitement, which also indicated how eagerly they were all waiting for this moment. Anyway, I know you guys are probably super excited to learn more about Shiba Swap, and so I will show you how it all works out and ultimately show you how you can make $300 a day by the end of this video. Shiba Swap is a place where people can swap ECR20 tokens. Shiba, Leash, Bones are all tokens, so are Tether, Wrapped, Bitcoin, and Binance to name a few. Tokens are not coins. Coins are Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin to name a few. Why is this important? Shiba Swap is a place for people to trade or swap their ERC20 tokens. So you will be able or anyone in the world to swap Ethereum for Wrapped Bitcoin or USDC for any ERC20 token. These are just examples. There will be many other options for people to choose from. Simply put, it is a trading system. How does staking work in Shiba Swap and which one is the best? There are 3 options to choose from and each one offers different benefits. It is up to you to decide which one works best with what you are trying to accomplish, your long-term goals. Let's first explain liquidity pools or digging. What are liquidity pools? Liquidity pools are used to process the transactions or swaps between 2 tokens. For example, I want to trade or swap my Ethereum coins for Shiba. I would then go to that option in Shiba Swap or SHIB ETH pool and swap these tokens. But who am I trading or swapping with? The answer is no one. There isn't another person waiting in the wings for their Shiba to trade with me. Instead, you, which are the liquidity provider, give me the Shiba tokens I wanted and take my ETH, or rather the pool does, and you are part of that pool. In the liquidity pool, you provide both ETH and SHIB to be used in these transactions. Let's touch on Shiba liquidity pools. When you put your Shiba tokens into the ETH Shiba liquidity pool, you will earn one reward. It is in the form of a special token called an SSLP, or Shiba Swap liquidity pool. You can use that SSLP token to deposit into Woof, another staking program that rewards you with Bone. The amount of SSLP tokens you receive is based on how much liquidity you provide to the pool. It is not a passive reward, which means you only get it each time you deposit more of your SHIB or ETH into the pool, and this goes the same for Leash and Bone pools. Now, let's see the Leash liquidity pools. Putting your Leash tokens into the Leash ETH pool will earn you 3 rewards. Remember earlier I stated that earning Leash was important. The first reward is SSLP tokens. The second reward is the pool gets 0.1% of all WBTC swap transactions that occur on the Shiba Swap site. The third reward is 0.1% of all USDC transactions that happen on the Shiba Swap site. And lastly, Bone liquidity pools. Putting your bones to work in a Bone ETH pool earns you 3 rewards. You will get an SSLP token as your first reward. The second and third rewards are 0.1% of all DAI and 0.1% of all USDT swap transactions that occur on the Shiba Swap site are given to the pool members as a reward. DAI and USDT are both stablecoins. These two tokens are very popular with non-hodlers when they swap the dips and highs. The swap can't function at all because there is no liquidity. SHIB, Leash, Bone, and Ethereum for people to actively swap within the pools. When you stake or bury your crypto, you're only mining for a simpler term than new blocks being made. You aren't helping the swap part of Shiba Swap. When you put your tokens into the pools, you're actually making the swap part of Shiba Swap possible. Let's talk about staking Shiba or bury. When you stake Shiba tokens, you will get 3 rewards for doing so. The first reward you get is Bone, which is 3% to the staking pool. You get Bone for just about everything you do on the site. The second reward is Ethereum. This is a very important reward because when you stake SHIB and only SHIB, you get a percentage of all of the Ethereum transaction fees that occur on the entire Shiba Swap site. Why is that so important? Well, everything on Shiba Swap requires an Ethereum gas fee. The third reward is you also get 0.05% of all other transactions that occur on the Shiba Swap site that don't include ETH, WBTC, TIA, USDT, and USDC. This means that if we swap the Binance token with a Doge token on the Shiba Swap site, you will get a percentage of that transaction as a reward in the Shiba token. This is important because this allows you to increase the size of your Shiba token share, which in turn, if you restake it, will increase the percentage of rewards you get back. Now, the moment you've been waiting for. How do you make $300 a day using Shiba Swap? Let's take the Bone example for this one. Suppose you start off with 60 bones per day and an average price of 5%, meaning $300 in total. Now for providing liquidity, for the Bone ETH SSLP token, you can get up to 8 bone per day. Okay, so the amount of SSLP token you will need for 60 bones per day is going to be 9 tokens, or roughly $1,800 at a price of $200 per SSLP token. The amount of bone you'll have to put for the Bone ETH SSLP is going to be around 186 bone, and with that price is going to be around $1,800. Once you get your rewards, you can either continue providing liquidity for the pool, or you can just cash out and go home. Or even better, you can load up on more Shiba Inu for the upcoming events. This is probably going to be the easiest money you will ever make, and it's truly passive income, and I highly recommend you Shiba holders to look into this because $300 may not sound like a ton of money, but in reality, this could be a great additional source of income. Watch this next video to learn what is going to happen next and why Shiba Inu will reach 0.01 cents very soon.